The Power of AI Engine and Python Program, our mentorship program. A mentorship program is a structured learning experience that pairs experienced individuals, mentors, with less experienced ones, ments, for professional and personal growth. It's essentially a reciprocal relationship where both parties benefit from the exchange of knowledge, skills, and experience. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AIDNN architect. Here's a breakdown of the key aspects of a mentorship program. Mentors. Typically, experienced professionals who have been in the company or industry for a while. Offer guidance and support and share their knowledge and expertise. Can help ments navigate challenges, develop their careers, and achieve their goals. Ments. Individuals who are new to the company or industry, or seeking to develop new skills and knowledge. Gain valuable insights and perspectives from experienced mentors. Learn new skills, develop existing ones, and receive career advice. Can build valuable relationships within the organization. Benefits. For ments, gain valuable insights, develop skills, get career advice, build relationships. For mentors, develop leadership skills, share knowledge, give back, stay current in their field. For organizations, improved employee engagement, knowledge transfer, talent development, and increased retention. Structure. Mentorship programs can be formal or informal. Formal programs have a set structure, with defined goals, matching processes, meeting schedules, and sometimes even training for mentors and ments. Informal programs are more flexible and can be initiated organically between colleagues. Overall, mentorship programs are a valuable tool for both individuals and organizations. They provide a platform for learning, growth, and development, fostering a supportive and collaborative work environment. The data contains information about inventory items. Let's break down the data by category. Item information. Item code, a unique identifier for each inventory item, example JK9-987, JK8-977. Item, the name or description of the inventory item, example K1, K5. Location, the warehouse or storage location where the item is kept, example Bombay, Gurgaon, Noida. Inventory management. Reorder level, the stock level at which a new order should be placed for the item. Example 600 for JK9-987 in Bombay. Stock in hand, the current available quantity of the item in the warehouse. Example 400 for JK9-987 in Bombay. Reorder quantity, the quantity of the item to be ordered when the stock level reaches the reorder level. Example 300 for JK9-987 in Bombay. Reorder value, the total value of the reorder quantity * rate. Example 147,000 for JK9-987 in Bombay, calculated as 300 * 490. Rate, the unit price of the inventory item. Example 490 for JK9-987 in Bombay. Stock value, the total value of the current stock in hand * rate. Example 196,000 for JK9-987 in Bombay, calculated as 400 * 490. Totals. 533,500.00, this is the total reorder value for all the items listed, sum of all reorder value. 781,500.00, this is the total stock value for all the items listed, sum of all stock value. Key points. There are 4 inventory items listed, identified by item code. The data is for 2 different time points since the same item code, JK9-987, appears with different locations, Bombay and Noida. Thanks.